Hi, I'm Mira from Flow with Mira. Today we will be doing 5 Pilates full core strengthening exercises. You can do this exercise on top of a workout as a booster or repeat the exercises 3 times for a full core workout. So let's begin the class. We're going to start with the hundreds. So we're going to do about 10 repetitions of each exercise. So first exercise, the hundreds, 10 sets of breathing. So legs up to table, 1, 2, arms overhead. We breathe in, prepare. We breathe out, we lift the chest, extend the legs up to the ceiling, or you can go to diagonal position if you are more advanced intermediate level. In breath, exhale. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, last, hold, drag the knees in, and release. Lower one foot down, second down. Well done. Number 2 is what I call a supine dead bug. So arms up to the ceiling, one leg up, second leg up without jolting the belly. Draw the abdominal in. Okay, now we're going to take the right leg down, the left leg stay up, the left arm goes overhead, so opposite arm and leg, and change, and over. Again, we go, exhale, and hold the center. You want to maintain the arch of the lower spine. Keep the pelvis in neutral. Maintain the intra-abdominal pressure. And 2 more sets. Last set. Up the tabletop, arms to the ceiling. We lower one foot down, second leg down, and now stretch the legs long, arms overhead for the roll-ups. We inhale, we lift. Exhale, we pull up the center into the C curve. And we go. Exhale, we roll down and arms overhead. Again, inhale, chest lift. Exhale, C curve. Inhale. Exhale, chest lift. Arms overhead. And lift. In breath. Exhale. And over. And 4. In breath. Exhale. Over. And 5. In breath. If this is too challenging for you guys, you can also bend the knees. We'll lift the chest. Hold the legs in this position and then straighten the legs. And we roll down. You can also drag the knees in just to modify it, yeah? And up. And over. But if that's not an issue, with the legs straight, and then just go ahead and continue with the legs straight. Again, and I absolutely lost my count. And I'm going to take this as number 8. And exhale, roll down. And overhead. And 9. Exhale. In breath. Exhale, down. And overhead. And 10. Exhale, up. In breath. Exhale, we roll down and up. Okay, we need to come up. So we're going to inhale and roll up. Okay, and lift up. Well done. Number 4, the side bend. So I'm going to do it with my hand down this way. You can also modify it with the arms, the forearm down and the legs straight. So I'm going to do the side bend traditional way, and then I'm going to modify it for those of you who like to do the modified version. So we lift up and we take the arm over. We'll lift up and we come down. Modification. We'll keep the legs straight. We'll lift up and arm over. We'll lift and we go down. On 3, lift, arm over, and lift and down. I'm going to do the proper one. We'll lift up. 4, side bend over and back and down. On 5, so you may choose a version that is suitable for you today. On 6, and over and back, straight down. 7, and over and back, straight down. And 8, over, back. 2 more times. 9, over, there. Last one, reach, over, back, and a quick side stretch. And other side all over again. I'll do the traditional way and then I'll do the modification. And let's go. We reach straight arm and over, look down, and we come down. Again, one more for here for the full version, and then the modified version will lift and over and back and down, and 4, over and back and down, and 5, over and back and down. Coming up for the full one. 6, and over and back and down. 7, lift, over, back and down. 8, lift, over, up and down. 2 more, and over, up and down. Last one, lift, over, back and down for a quick side stretch. And release. Number 5 is our front support. All right, get ourselves to a quadruped position. Okay, pull up the lower abs. So you want to lengthen the lower spine here. Then take ourselves to our front support position or the plank. Shoulder over your heel of the palm. And second. Now we take the right leg in. You can have the leg floating for a more challenging version, or you can rest it down to the floor for modified version and reach it out. So floating or down, either one. You can choose. And then out. And then in, out. Stabilize the pelvis and your trunk. On 3 and out. Exhale and out. On 4, 5, 6, 7, strong arms, 8, 9, last at 10, we hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One knee in, second knee in, bumped bottom to the heels. Stretch your arms forward for a quick rest position and roll up the spine. Well done. That was 5 exercises to strengthen your core. Repeat this 2 more times for a full core workout. Rewind the video and start all over again. Congratulations on completing the class. Well done. I'm Mira and I'm here to help you to look and feel your absolute best through Pilates. If you enjoyed this video, you will love my free Better Postures in 5 Days program. Click the first link in the comments and sign up. I will instantly send you a daily email with a 15 to 20 minute workout each day. This workout will work your whole body to help open, stretch, and strengthen your posture. Your spine and body will love you. Don't forget to like and comment with any question you may have about Pilates. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my free Pilates video. See you in the next class.